Hey everybody, I wanted to jump on and give you a quick update on the Thieves laundry soap that I hacked in a video the last couple months. And this is what it is. This is the Thieves laundry soap, all right? And I took this, and it's actually 32 ounces of Thieves laundry soap, and it's 6 times concentrated. So what I did was I took this and made it into 3 bottles. These are my shampoo bottles. It's like a little hack that I have to make it last a long time. And I wanted to put it into the shampoo bottles because I just didn't know how much my kids and my husband were using with the little lid thing. Sometimes they'd use too much, and you really only needed to use like that much. And so I switched it, and I've loved it. And I ordered this bottle right here. It actually still has some in here. I didn't actually get all of it in there. I ordered it on May 23rd. So do the math up. This is to today. And I haven't used these 2 full bottles. I have not even touched them yet. And this is what I'm still using. So just below half. And I've had a lot of company, so I've done a lot of towels and a lot of washing. And it's summer, and I'm swimming and teaching lessons, and so we're doing tons more towels and laundry. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick update how long this lasts, how cost effective it is. And this was like my #1 clean, well, besides the Thieves household cleaner, this was like my #1 cleaning thing to change. And we've loved it, and it cleans really great. My tip for that though is if you feel that your clothes aren't as soft, go ahead and throw some just white vinegar in your fabric softener dispenser, and that will help that because the fabric softener has so many yucky chemicals that they're not in this stuff. So anyway, definitely you want to check this out. And this, like I said, has just been super cost effective. I only use, let's see, I put on here 2 pumps so that everybody knows. So for a regular load, I do 2 pumps. For towels and sheets, I usually use 3. If it's a really dirty load, I might use 4, or just throw in a cap full of the Thieves household cleaner. So anyway, I just wanted to let you guys know about that, and I'm really happy with the results that I can actually see now, and share it with you guys. So anyway, we've had a lot of company, and we've been having a fun summer, but I'm still here and available for questions as you come up with them. Let me know. Hope you're having a good one. Bye.